Alright, this is it.
What's going on? All these guys
my
are
heart.
just gliding in right now. This is sick. Oh man.
Love Fortnite. How close are you guys?
Tim, I'm over here. Right behind you, baby. Right behind you, baby. Everyone pour one out for Kevin real quick, dude. R.I.P.
Rip Kev, dude. It's 1 o'clock right now. Hello?
Whoa, something's happening.
It's
You
dark.
see it? Like,
It's like
pulsating?
pulsing. Yeah.
Yeah. I think people are being nice at the island.
Everyone's just floating around. They don't want to miss it.
Wait. What's
It's
happening?
1
Is this
PM.
debate?
What
Did
is-
we get baited? Wait,
It's
is
pulsing
daylight
faster. It's
savings?
pulsing faster.
Rich, you just going in? Yeah, I'm just gonna go in and go back up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep gliding around. I mean, the chances of somebody shooting us down is like really slim to none.
Don't get too close to it. Someone's shooting the cube.
It's happening. Something fell.
Something
Something
dropped
went in.
in.
Something dropped into the water?
Yeah, something
Yeah,
went
yeah,
down.
yeah, like
It was like a
a
part of the
teardrop.
cube. It's okay.
It's spinning.
It's moving.
Ooh, let's go.
They're shooting it. Oh gosh.
Oh, dude, this is it.
This is it.
It looks like it's hardening. The cube uses harden, dude. Oh! Oh!
Oh god.
Oh god!
Yikes!
Kevin!
Okay. Okay.
What?
Oh my god.
What? That is so cool.
Wait.
Oh,
What is happening?
God.
Wait.
What?
What?
I'm in the game. I beat it.
Oh my god, we are a part of the Matrix. Wow.
What is happening?
No way.
Okay. I'm
I think
trying to
we have
move.
to one of
Wait,
the-
listen.
the-
Look up. Are those like worlds?
Oh my god.
There's a beam of light in front. I may never see you boys again.
Oh my god, tell me this is like what, Angel Kevin?
It's the Traveler from Destiny.
This is pretty sick.
Bro, it's a butterfly.
This is pretty sick.
It is.
I'm going for it, dude. Get over
Tim,
here.
get away from the butterfly, Tim.
I'm chasing it. Wait, it's on me.
Almost got it.
No, it's
It's
over.
one shot.
It's over all of us.
My shotgun just did 8 damage to it.
It's flying. I mean,
Oh wait, there's a
Small.
ton of them.
Oh, there is.
we all each have our own.
Last one.
Oh my god.
What?
It's mine.
I have it. I took it.
What just happened?
What?
A Ripper fly, dude.
I'm still gliding. Did you go straight back down?
I'm going
then?
straight down.
All right, I'm coming down.
I'm coming in.
There's
Oh,
this
it's
at a
area. Oh god, these guys got a. Oh, he has a shotgun. I got a shotgun. Oh no, he has a shotgun. I think I'm dead. No, it's a cube event. Chill. It's a cube event. Stop it.
Everyone's killing each other, man. Can't we just have peace?
I'm running.
Bro, what is happening? Look at this.
Dude, that was insane.
So it turned into like it reminds me of the Grand World of Warcraft.
Yo.
Wow.